Hey guys, so about a week ago I got this BEATIT G18 2000Amp 12 volt portable jump starter 21,000 milliamp hour power bank, and I did a little review about it, but I hadn't yet tested it. And this morning, come to find out, our battery was not starting, so I got to use it, and I'll tell you what, it worked like a champ, and I am super duper excited about this power bank now. So I wanted to show you how I jumped it and tell you a couple other cool things about this power bank. So you can come a little closer here. First, you connect the red positive to the red positive on the battery, like that. Then you connect the black negative to the black negative. Don't ask me why there's a clamp there. Hopefully yours doesn't have a clamp on. Then we're going to, one thing that's cool, they have this little voltmeter here that says, can you see it? It says 12.3 volts. So it's kind of cool that there's a little voltmeter on here. I thought that was pretty sweet. I didn't even know about that until I tried it this morning. So now I'm going to plug it in to this. And now all I have to do to jump it is turn the key. Supposedly, this is supposed to be good to jump start a car like 30 to 40 times on a full charge. Pretty sweet. And it's supposed to last about 3,000 charges and discharges. So I think when I first got this in the mail, it was at like 81% charged. And then I've used it to jump start my car once, and I just demonstrated it for you again here. And it's at 77% charge. You can see it has a nice little nifty compass there. There's also, you can turn on the LED if you hold down this power button for 3 seconds. You can press it again for it to go into SOS mode. And then again for strobe light mode. And then you can hold it again for 3 seconds to turn it off. You also have a couple USB ports here if you want to charge any portable devices. This is where you plug in the jumper cables. This is where you plug it into the wall to charge it. I think it takes about 4 hours to give it a full charge. Here's a USB-C, I believe, port for like the newer iPhones. Also, if you have like a newer iPhone that charges wirelessly, you can put it on here and you can charge your iPhone wirelessly. Now that is crazy to me. Anyway, this is super versatile, feels really well built. It's got a lot of power supply. It's got a sweet case. I love the case. It is just gorgeous. Fits all of your cables all in this little case. And you can just plug it in, put it in like that, and put in your jumper cables. So overall, I'm super excited that I got this portable jump starter. I would highly recommend getting one if you haven't already. The only thing I would recommend is being careful not to store it in super hot or super cold environments. So if you want it to last a super long time, I'd recommend putting it inside of your garage and keeping it there and then taking it with you when you go on travels and trips. But overall, I love this jump starter and it's worked great for us, and I can't wait to use it next time. Thanks for watching. Feel free to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.